In this video we want to show you how to install a replacement toner for your laser printer. Here we got an HP black and white laser cartridge. It is from the alternative no-name brand Inky sale, and costs only a fourth of an original toner. But there are lots of other alternative brands you can get at Amazon too. Just look for a good product user rating. You can get an original HP toner instead too, if you want. These instructions are universal, and should work for almost every laser printer manufacturer and model. Okay, let us put the toner into the laser printer. Open the printer cover. Remove the old toner just by pulling on the toner handle. This is our new replacement toner. Remove the orange plastic parts first. We have to shake the toner a bit before putting it in. Put the new toner into the printer the same way like you got the old toner out. Listen for a clicking sound. Then you know everything got installed properly. Close the printer cover. Let's get a test page out to see if the toner works properly. Turn the printer power on. Now press and hold the X button until the test page comes out. It should work similar with other printer manufacturers too. The quality doesn't look too bad, right? Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.